bolts, but
you guys look like serious things are happening.
Yeah, very intense things are happening.
I see the ground.
Yeah, once this is gone, you'll just be able to stand here.
Yeah. What?
Don't touch anything, it's greasy.
You guys figure out anything? Make any decisions?
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this, we're unbolting the whole thing here. We're just taking a look at it before we actually start unbolting things. But this adapter plate right here is bad. There's bad parts of it. There's stripped screws and stuff like that. So we're gonna unbolt this, take this whole transmission out, unbolt the adapter plate from the motor, and then take that out and do a bunch of repairs on it. There's a bunch of stripped holes I need to put in. Either a Helicoil or a Time-sert. That is the big question here. Helicoils or Time-serts, but we got to disassemble this whole thing, take the transmission out, get the adapter plate off, and we'll go from there.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Do it.
Bye.
There's stuff happening. There's stuff happening. It's right there. It's a thing, and it looks like a big chicken.
Are you talking about me?
Nope. I'm talking about that baby.
That's the transmission, not the chicken.
Hey, you want to say hi?
The trans chicken.
I think we owe some folks an update.
For sure. A lot has happened. We've not, we didn't stay in Jackson Hole. Take it easy. Jeez, take it easy.
Jeez, slow down.
We left Jackson Hole. We are now at our friend Mike's house, who's a longtime viewer of the BreadTrucker channel, and he offered us some help.
Yeah, some of you might have seen us comment on one of the videos. We got so many awesome offers, and Mike was the closest and it made the most sense.
Yeah.
And so we're here, and he's helping you take this thing apart.
Yeah, we've already got the transmission completely removed, so we're parked in his yard right now. We're in Idaho, and there's the bread truck right back there. The transmission is out, and we're in Idaho, a much nicer place to work on the truck. I'm glad we're not in a parking lot somewhere.
Yeah, totally.
So, yeah.
And I just feel like I just want to say thank you.
For sure. So much help has been given to, just given advice to what to do with this thing, how to repair it properly. This is going to be a very low cost repair, even though it's a huge job. This would cost thousands of dollars at a mechanic. So we're really going to save a whole lot, and we're going to be able to repair most of it ourselves.
Yeah. So big thanks to Mike and his family, and big thanks to everybody who reached out and gave advice.
We had something
offered all the driveways and all the things, and people who sent us some money, which was super kind of you and
Absolutely.
Generous.
It helped us get out of this little pinch of a situation.
Yeah, it felt kind of confusing a couple days ago, and now it's like, oh yeah, we have a pretty awesome community, and we're feeling it. We're feeling the love.
Yeah.
So thank you.
Thank you guys. We love you guys too. Thank you so much for helping us out.
Yeah.
And things are going back together. We're gonna be able to fix this thing really well. The question is gonna be Helicoil versus Time-sert. Those are the two repairs that I am considering doing on the truck. That's the big argument. Time-sert versus Helicoil.
Everyone get your opinions ready.
The biggest answer to the problem was Helicoil. By far the most commented thing. But I've also gotten advice from a few very knowledgeable mechanics that said Time-sert. All right, so all of the other parts are off. The flywheel's off. The clutch is off. So now we just have to take 6 more bolts right here and on this side, and then the adapter plate will be free.
What is this? How you doing? This video is for my friend Paul Barger, the bread man. You know, the got the bread van. He had a problem there last week or so, and all the bolts in his bell housing stripped. Well, I'm going to tell you how to fix that. So, not everybody's like me. I have a Helicoil kit. As you'll see, I got everything from quarter.
All right, guys, here's my adapter plate. It's been removed from the bread truck, and now I have to make a choice. how do I want to fix all these stripped out holes, what the options are, what to do when fixing messed up threads in aluminum. So here we are in the Mad Laboratory outside the bread truck. Transmission T19 by Borg-Warner, 4-speed manual. And then here's the adapter plate. The clutch and flywheel is over here. 2 years ago. It's new. I resurfaced it 2 years ago, so I'm not going to mess with those parts. I think they're fine. So my big question is, do I use helicoils to fix these holes, or do I use time-serts? They do the same job. They replace aluminum threads with stainless steel threads. One is more like a spring. The other one is more like an insert that you screw in. But that's the two options. I'm going to throw up some pictures of each of those so you can kind of see the difference in their design. But let me explain things real quick. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bolts. I believe it's 8 bolts that are going to be 3/8, I believe. The only problem is those have been stripped out to something bigger. All the rest are around 3/8, but every single bolt was different. So I want to get one matching set. If I could do 3/8 in all of these, that's what I want to do. This is the top of the adapter plate. This is the bottom. This is where the starter goes over here with the spacer and the starter. Those holes are from the other side threaded, and the starter goes on the other side. So there's 2 holes for the starter as well. There's a total of 10 bolts. So give me the details. Give me the pros and cons. Which one do I do? Helicoil versus Time-sert. Comment below which one you think is better, why. I think they'll both work. Which one's better? Which one do I want to do on this adapter plate? Let me know. Comment below, hit me up, and let me know which one I should do.